Page 473. Everything rhymes on this page, right? 2m squared minus 3m minus 10m minus 15. It says factor by grouping, Tori. Plus 3m, right. Absolutely. How would you guys like to group them? First with second? Second and third. Well, second and third may not work. Because if you group them, you will have common factor. M will be m times 3 minus 10. It's not going to help you. Basically, you're combining like terms by doing that. Will take you to a trinomial, which you will factor it out by the other way. I can group the first one and the third one, the second one with the fourth one, or the first and the second, third and the fourth. Okay, out of the first and the third one, what is the common factor? What about 2? 2m, right? 2m goes in m squared m number of times. You understand what I'm doing here? I'm dividing this one by 2m. I'm dividing the third one by 2m, because that's my common factor, my greatest common factor out of the two terms here. M minus 10m divided by 2m will be what? 5, just 5, because m divided by m is 1. Second and the last term here, common factor will be 3, so it'll be plus 3 times 3m divided by 3 is going to be m, negative 15 divided by 3 will be negative 5. Do we have another common factor? Plus m minus 5, absolutely, equals m minus 5 times, what is left? 2m plus 3. And now you're done. The other way to factor it, if you can remember how to factor by grouping, is you combine the like terms here. So your trinomial, well, your polynomial that has 4 terms becomes a trinomial 2m squared minus 7m minus 15, and then you will try to find the factors of this trinomial by going backwards, right? So you're doing the backward steps from foiling. You'll try to unfoil. I don't know if I can say that. So let's check the first number. What could be the factors of this 2m squared? 2m and m, right? Now my last term here is negative, which tells me that I should have the positive and the negative last term in the two binomials, the two factors of my trinomial here. However, their sum is negative 7, which tells me that whatever factors of negative 15 I will find, the biggest one will be negative, right? So now, factors of negative 15 will be what? 3 and 5. And you have to decide which one will be positive, which one will be negative. But be careful, because here you have 2m and m. So when you multiply them, your like terms will greatly depend on the sign of your last numbers here. And we know already now that this will be 2m plus 3 and m minus 5, because we already did it by grouping. But by trial and error, you will be able to find these two numbers and come up with the same answer that you previously found by grouping. Any questions?